Hey, Zach and Jesse, this is Brian. I came across some Superchargers at the Grand Resorts Hotel, or more recently called the Hotel Coco Key, or just Hotel ML. It seems to be going through a name transition at this point. I've not stayed at this hotel, but the lobby looks nice, and I was able to use their bathrooms while I charged my car. Now, in the back, they have some kind of indoor water park. But be sure to check to see that it's open before you get the kids all excited about our water park slide. I, however, came to get my car charged. There's a lot of chargers here, which may seem excessive since only a few were in use when I stopped in. Or perhaps a very forward-thinking choice. Now, the Benjamin Franklin Bridge is a nearby landmark that was also designed with future needs in mind. The 7-lane bridge was built when automotive traffic was relatively light and must have seemed excessive in its day. But now, 100 years later, this forward thinking has paid off. The hotel is on Route 73 in Mount Laurel Township in southern New Jersey, with easy access to Interstates 295 and exit number 4 on the New Jersey Turnpike, so it's convenient for travelers. Yep, that's 40 V4 charging cabinets at this location. Now inside the hotel they have a bar, a snack bar, a fancy-looking restaurant, but aside from the hotel there's not much else nearby when you're charging. Around back there's a decent-sized solar farm which just warms my heart. But there's no charging under the stalls, which would have been nice. Now across the street there's a Walmart, but there's no easy access to safely get across the busy streets. I've just heard that Walmart is looking to roll out EV charging at their stores, so when that happens, you'll have even more options. Now, it's hard to give this a single number for a rating, high marks for availability, but low marks for nearby conveniences. Now you know.